7 divided 1 by 7 times 7. So people cancel out 7 and 7. So what is left? Then 7 divided by 1 and 7 divided by 1 gives 7, which is the incorrect answer. As per order of operation, multiplication and division both have same priority, but we have to solve it from left to right. So 7 divided 1 by 7 times 7, from left to right, it's 7 divided 1 by 7. So there are two different things, that is 7 divided 1 by 7 and 7 multiply 1 by 7. In this case, the answer is 1, but not in this case. In this case, you have to follow KCF rule. Here K stands for keep, C stands for change, and F stands for flip. So let's apply this. That means keep the left hand, change the symbol from division to multiplication, and flip the right hand. And what is left? Multiply 7. So it becomes 7 times 7 times 7, which is equals to 343. So what is the correct answer? 343. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.